Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Lovers. So in the past video, I said that I will give Amazon Prime giveaway. Mm, so many members actively participated in Amazon giveaway subscription free for 1 month. So today I am going to reveal the giveaway results. So the giveaway winner is Rauhan Mulla. Rauhan Mulla. I will post the mail ID and password to your email ID. So please respond. Please respond with a comment that you are here, and you will take that Amazon Prime ID with the help of comment. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Nmap tool. So what is Nmap tool and what it is used? What its uses means. Nmap tool is a basic network port scanning tool. So not only network scanning tool, it also used for fingerprinting, OS fingerprinting, unscript detection, and service version detection. So many things we can do, but now I am going to show the basic scanning and basic types of scanning and the service version, and how to extract the OS that current IP address using. So let us take a look on Nmap tool. So Nmap. So basically I am on Kali Linux. If you are on Debian, so you need to install using this apt-get install command. So it will directly install for you. So if any error occur, then you can go to GitHub repositories. There you can download it and you can install it manually. So today I am going to show about the basic scanning. So let's get started. So Nmap. So let us know about our IP address of the current machine that we are working. So this is our current IP address. So let us scan this IP address using Nmap. So on scanning this IP address, we can know what ports are open and what ports are closed. I think all members have an idea about port and host. So with the help of port, we can exploit the devices or any services. So to scan an IP address, we need to do the following command: nmap space IP address. If you want to scan multiple IP addresses, you need to place the space between each IP address like this: 192.168.1.3. So now it will scan the two addresses, 192.168.1.4 and .3. These two IP addresses get scanned now. See here, the 192.168.4 is the IP address of current Kali Linux machine. So all scan ports are closed. So if any ports are open, then it will show that the ports are open, right? Okay. So 192.168.1.3 is my Windows machine IP address. So I mentioned here my Windows machine IP address, and it says that 5357 port is open. So we can exploit using this port, or we can penetrate through this port. So in this way, the Nmap basic scanning will be used. So let's get some more deeper. If you want to pass IP addresses in the form of text file like a dictionary source list, so you need to mention -il flag like this, -il, and the path of the file that's stored in our desktop. See, I already manually typed the IP addresses in ip.txt. So it will now scan for that IP addresses. So wait a minute, what is there in that list? Let us take a look on that. So these are the IP addresses that are going to scan by our Nmap now. So see, this is our open ports that are displayed by Nmap. So if you want to scan IP addresses, I mean if you need to pass IP addresses in a text file, then you need to mention -il. And if you want to know about version detection or something else, then you need to mention -a flag. So let us give a try what will give the -a flag. I think it will gives about the version of the machine that IP address came from and the services that are running on that IP addresses. So wait for the result and see what we will get. And to know the OS only, you need to mention the flag -O instead of A here. I will show next to this command. Yes, so now this is the thing that we got after the scanning. So see here the services and the MAC address of my Windows machine and the services that are running on that IP addresses. See Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7.5, Windows Vista. Okay, now we also got the trace route for this. So service info, yes, we got the operating system of that particular IP address using Windows. So as I am using Windows and it shows that it is a Windows machine. So this is called traceroute. If you want only traceroute, then you can use -traceroute flag following by the IP address, following by the target IP address. You will get the traceroute of that IP address. And there are so many advanced scans like TCP synchronization scan and ping sweep scan, and there are so many scans. So these scans are very advanced scans, and as time is not supported, I am showing the basic scans in Nmap. So see here we done, and if you want to trace route, we got trace route here. So if you let's do TCP synchronization scan. This scan will shows what IP address, what ports are open and what ports are closed. See here we open the 5357 port. 5357 port is open. So like this we can. So if you want to scan the IP address from range, using range means I mean like 192.168.0 to 192.168.1.30. So you need to enter the following command like this: .0 to 30. So this will do scan. Okay. No targets were specified, so 0 host scan. So as targets not found, I think it's okay. Let's give another try. So okay, oh, I missed one here, so let's check out. So now it will scan the IP addresses from range from 192.168.1.0 to from 192.168.1.30. So it will scan 31 ports. So on 31 IP addresses it will scan now. So how this will support in penetration testing? So many hackers or so many people need on what ports we can enter to we can penetrate through. See, if we here the FTP service on the port 21 it is open right now, so we can use this port and we can manipulate the data that is incoming by FTP server can be redirected to a MSF Venom payload. So we can redirect it using this open ports. So to know what are the open ports on a particular machine, you need to do Nmap scanning technique, port scanning technique. In this way the Nmap will be used. So I hope you like the video, and thanks for participating in the Amazon giveaway. The Amazon giveaway winner is this guy, Rohan Mulla. Bro, thanks for your subscription and for your participation in the giveaway. So I hope you like this video, and if any explanation or any doubts you needed, you please leave a comment. I will surely respond. I hope you like this video. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.